Some people notice things others miss, a shift in tone, a change in expression, a sudden silence. And before anyone says a word, they already know something feels different. Psychology suggests this isn't mind reading. 1. They pay attention to what isn't said. Most people focus on words, but highly observant people notice pauses, facial expressions, body language, subtle changes, because communication isn't just what people say, it's what they reveal without realizing it. And often, the unspoken message is the most honest one. 2. Their brain notices patterns. Your brain is constantly collecting information, how people normally act, how they normally speak, how they normally react. So when something suddenly changes, it stands out, not because they're overthinking, because their brain recognizes that the pattern no longer matches. And that's why they can sense tension before anyone talks about it. But this ability often comes from somewhere unexpected. 3. They learned to watch carefully. Many highly observant people didn't become observant by choice. They learned it. Maybe they grew up around unpredictable emotions. Maybe they spent years trying to understand people's moods, so their brain adapted. It became better at scanning the environment, looking for clues, reading emotional signals, until eventually it became automatic. Core reality. People who can read a room aren't usually reading minds. They're reading patterns, expressions, behavior, and the small signals most people overlook. Because sometimes the loudest thing in a room is the thing nobody says. If this felt familiar, stay here. Because on this channel, we don't just describe behavior, we explain why your mind works this way.